We are recording. What is up, everyone? We have a very, very special surprise guest. His name is Mohssen.
The
Uh,
most anticipated, man. Most anticipated,
yes,
please.
sir. Well, I put out my list of top five coins for 2021 bull run. So Messon thought he'd copy me and put
Yeah.
out put out his thoughts there, his picks. So
Yeah, man. Yeah, let's just cut all the introductions, man. They know me. They know who I am, what I
no
bring to
one,
the
bro, no one knows who we are.
You can just sit on the side for a bit here, buddy.
All
You
right,
can just sit
go
for a bit.
go ahead. You got this, man. Take it over.
Um,
Like and subscribe.
yeah, definitely like and subscribe, man. Invite everybody to the channel. Your brother, your sister, your mom, your dad, grandma, grandpa, everybody, man. Everybody can get this money, to be honest with you. But um, So, first and foremost, no, I did not watch your video. I just want to, let everybody know I'm definitely not copying your style. That's
He's
for sure.
he's lying. Everyone, don't believe him.
Um, but so yeah, my top five picks, and this is a bit surface level. I wouldn't say I actually got into the detail of the first two. I would say two, three, but the other ones I'm just using my intuition here because I'm such a highly experienced cryptocurrency veteran. Do you get what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah,
But
for sure.
the first thing, you know it, people probably know it too, but it's Chainlink.
Chainlink.
Um,
Okay.
Chainlink, yeah, has a lot of potential. I think it's going to have a great year. 2020 is going to hit, and we won't even see it coming, to be honest with you. It's going to catch everybody off guard. So if you're not on Chainlink, man, I'm telling you, you're missing out. That's for sure. Couple reasons, um, uh, especially their partnerships. Their partnership being with Deco. That's number one, and that's kind of just the fact for what Chainlink is in general, connecting the cryptocurrency world in general. But also, it's a tool to connect the cryptocurrency world to the outside. And basically, this partnership is to utilize Chainlink for us to be able to pull out any kind of data from your typical websites, typical HTTPS websites, where it just connects that. So it's connecting the real world, the internet we all know about, all the data that's included then into the cryptocurrency world for it to be used for whatever it needs to be used. Insurance, price values, bank accounts, any type of information we need to facilitate the financial services that the cryptocurrency world promises us. It's actually this the project Chainlink is pushing, and I think everybody recognizes that, and they're just waiting to blow up. And yeah, it's just going to communicate all this information from and into the blockchain through those oracles they developed. And just in general, if you're looking at the timeline, price timeline from January to October, we jumped from $1 to $9. Um, just something to keep in mind, and all the potential coming in. I think it's a safe investment if anybody wants to put their money in. That would be my top one for sure. Yeah, I love Chainlink, man.
Cool. Yeah, man. Yeah, I love Chainlink as well. So Chainlink's your number one. What's your number two?
I think you might get jealous here. You think I might just stole this from you,
You
but
definitely stole it from me.
I know for a fact you have it in your video somewhere. But it's ByDao.
Okay.
Yeah, ByDao. You mentioned to me even previously they're doing their token burn after October 20th, which is also your deadline to claim those tokens. And right after that, I think something major is going to happen. People will buy into it. Everybody will want to claim their share of it, and in general, it's just a good project. I just like the idea. I like the principles they stand for. Except that I really think they could use some sort of marketing skills. I think they could use us. I
Yeah,
think we're doing better marketing for ByDao than more ByDao itself.
I
But
agreed.
I'm just because I think it's actually important for you to have a good project, but it's also as important for you to properly communicate that project to the masses, and that's where a lot of those projects actually either lose the public's interest or lose the investors' interest in general, just because it's not you have to go and dig in to find what ByteDAO's doing, and that's never a good sign. So hopefully with everything, hopefully with even BitBoy starting to talk about it, some of the YouTube, just in the YouTube world in general starting to talk about it, I think it's going to have a good turnout sometime in 2020.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah, I agree.
and we're definitely going to be paying close attention somewhere on the week of October 19th, 18th. That's when I'm really going to be looking heavily into it. I think both of us to see what how many millions we're putting in, basically.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, no, for sure, man. Like, with in my opinion, with cryptocurrency being so driven by speculation and FOMO and hype, I think ByteDAO will definitely catch on, but the team could definitely work on it. So yeah, man, no, I agree. Good points all around. I kind of surprised that this was your second pick here. But yeah, no, I can definitely see why, man. It has a lot of
Honestly,
potential.
honestly, whatever I said is literally all depending on how they market it. It's actually all depending on how they market. I really hope they market it better.
Yeah, it really depends if it catches on. Yeah.
Yeah. Third pick would be definitely Ethereum.
Okay, okay. Third pick's Ethereum. Yeah.
Yeah, we all know what's happening with Ethereum, especially with now them working on their scalability issues in general. I think that's something that one of the main things that's holding Ethereum down in general. We do have a good system going on. We do have a good protocol. Everybody's already invested in it. Everybody has a good outlook on it in general. But I think once we solve the scalability issue, which you said, Ethereum 2.0, I'm not sure if that's something it's coming up soon within the next year or something. I feel like you know a bit more about it, but with that coming out and that getting solved, I think we will have something major going on for Ethereum.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, like no one knows for sure when Ethereum 2.0 will be released, but if the release is even half successful, with Ethereum having already such a large user base, so much of the cryptocurrency space on it, if Ethereum 2.0 is even mostly successful, it'll probably even further propel Ethereum.
Yeah, yeah, no, I agree.
Yeah, yeah. So
Yeah,
damn, so what's your next pick?
yeah. Next pick, I had a bit of a hard time to be honest with you, trying to. I wanted to avoid. I think even just the Binance token BNB will have
Okay,
something.
that's
I think
is that
that's
your fourth
something.
pick? Binance?
Fourth pick, yes,
Okay,
Binance.
okay. Yeah, no, I see. There's so many good choices here, man. Like, there's so many good coins to pick from.
Hmm. Binance, I think, just especially that token, its involvement in some of those projects, those come up projects. I think it will kind of associate Binance trying to be associated with those projects. So when in general those projects actually do well, Binance is going to do well also in returns. Basically, either providing support now for giving a platform for some of those projects, and in return we'll see some good return of investments, basically, not just value wise and not just price wise, but just also just in terms of just value in general of that platform being what it is today. I think that's also gonna raise it in terms of its value in the market for sure. And yeah,
Yeah,
uh, I'm not sure if fifth one is definitely I can't really forget about the beast running this whole thing. I think Bitcoin is going to have a good year. Hopefully in 2020, after the elections, if everything goes well, if nothing crazy happens, nothing out of the ordinary happens, I think Bitcoin will definitely have some. Just like you mentioned, it's cyclic, and we've been testing, we've been having some steam going up. I think Bitcoin will also have a good year coming.
yeah, man. There's in my opinion definitely a good chance that Bitcoin will reach its all time highs. and break above in enter price discovery. That's just my opinion. Yeah, man,
Hmm.
we could potentially see a Bitcoin go real, real high. No one really knows how high, but every time we get a new bull run with Bitcoin, we we go up in price exponentially, parabolically, and we reach price discovery, and we reach new prices, new heights. So, I mean, you know, it, in my mind, the bull run is close to an inevitability. The question in my, it's just my opinion, is when we're gonna get it. So,
Yeah.
but yeah, man, no, Bitcoin's definitely a good choice. I didn't throw it in mind because I thought it wouldn't move as much. But hey, man, Bitcoin could be a real strong performer. Like it could like definitely do extremely well. So, well, we'll see.
Yeah, yeah, I agree. I think we will be continuing to break some of those resistances we've been breaking. I think we do have enough gas to go. It's just hopefully not a lot of factors contribute to this basically this downtrend. But I think people have a positive outlook general right now, so we'll see how that plays out.
Yeah, yeah. So we'll see. Yeah, man. So, cool. That's your list, top five there. I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
If you got any more thoughts there, wrap it up, or is that all?
Not really. They don't call us the crypto psychics for no reason, man. So I think we're on track here. So I just hope everybody's listening. I hope you saved a couple dollars on the side here. I think it's definitely the time for you to start thinking about some bit of a long-term investing here. If you haven't really got into the details of if you're probably still beginning into getting into the trading world in general or just the crypto world in general, now is actually the time for you to catch this bull run coming up.
Yeah, and between your picks and mine, I mean, there's such solid projects here. No one really knows which ones will do better, but honestly, if you picked any of these, you'd probably have a good chance of doing okay at least if by the end of 2021. So,
Agreed.
yeah, all right. So yeah, we'll check back in a year, see if we lost all our money, we made a bunch.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. All right, y'all. So yeah, like, subscribe, and share, and take care, y'all. Peace.